guys, welcome to part 3. I gotta make this video 4 minutes because that's how I can enjoy. No, just keep playing wooden frames. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Check this. Let's go to the shop again. I know that website. They have railroad crossings. But too bad it's out of stock. Mama, let's go see these. Let's go see all of those. Thomas the Train. Thomas Place. Oh, guys, look at these. Wait, where's the tender of this locomotive? Seen faces. Oh, where's the tender? No, where's the tender? It went bye-bye. Tender went bye-bye. Let's go. Go. See? Okay. I heard a noise. Must be the train. Starting up. One day I'll have a train show. Oh, it's so big. Let's go to Leah. Hey guys, look. Look. Okay, just. Here goes the Santa Fe. Look at there goes Santa Fe. Oh, it's the locomotive. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. They're so small. Oh my god. There goes electric trains go. The mountains. Intercity Express. Alright guys, let's move on. Go. Excuse me. Hey guys, look, apartment passenger train set. Hey yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! The Union Pacific! Alright guys, I'll see you later on Tom's Train World. Bye!